Hey there and welcome back. I'm going to be going over how to add a user to your application and then how to adjust their roles. And I'll go over more of what that means here in a second. So I'm just going to go to my guest log in as promoter. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go to a register user. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just call it test user. Display name is going to be test user. Now, some people don't want to, some people may want a nickname here for a display name, whatever you want to do. So, do that. This is obviously a fake email, and I'm going to enter a password. Hopefully, I entered in the same way twice. Notorious for messing that up. So, I'm going to register. See, did it. So, start over here. All right, try this one. All right, register. Yep, alrighty. So now I'll go into user accounts. Now, if you notice, I only have one user. I've omitted the demo guest users from the list, so they can't be edited. So now I've got test user. I haven't not entered a phone number. You can if you want to, and no role assigned. So now I'm going to go into edit. This is where I could go in and add a phone number if I want, or change any of the user information. Let's go back to the list. Now to change the actual roles, you need to go to roles. Here I've got two roles. I've got user and I've got admin. And you can see the difference. Promoter would be typically with a role of admin, so that full toolbar is available to them. A user would be somebody, I know at some shows they may have someone from the NPC come in and they just want a list of competitors, so you can give them access to the competitor list and they can download it. They won't have the ability to edit anything in the competitor list. They can just download it and view it, and that is all. So we're going to put this user in here as an admin, and then we'll save that and then go back to the list, and now you have the role of admin. So it's pretty simple. Like, so you can have as many users tied to your account as you like. If you have co-promoters, you want them to have access to it. Um, you know, it may not be a good idea to have a bunch of people in there with admin access who you don't trust or don't know what they're doing. Keep the admins down to a minimum. You can have as many users as you want, because they really can't change anything. They can only view and download information. So that's pretty much it.